Hello everyone and happy Friday. This is Elaine's Merit Assembly for this week and I'm Miss Cook and I'm going to be reading out the merits that everyone has earned this week. So let's make a start. So in year 2, Miss Parsons and Miss Boyne would like to award a merit to Mitch from Topaz for showing our value of excellence with his remote learning. Mitch has worked so hard on his presentation and handwriting and has paid close attention to detail. So well done, Mitch. The second merit goes to Summer from Sapphire, who has shown a positive mindset with her remote learning, working hard to write her own similes. Well done, Summer. In year 4, the merits this week go to Cray for showing resilience to gain an excellent understanding in your maths work this week, and for Gracie for creating excellent headlines in your English work that engage the reader. And Jake has also got one for showing resilience in his learning this week, so great job there. The merit in year 3, Amber class, goes to Emma. Emma has shown resilience in all her learning and has shown the character skill of relationships. Emma is always kind and supportive to her peers, even when she finds her own learning challenging. Well done, Emma. It's always important to be kind and friendly to everybody. The merit for year 1 is for Alex for showing excellence in all areas of your learning. So well done, Alex. Miss Harris would like to give a merit to Isabella for showing the value of excellence in all aspects of remote learning, and also to Amelia for trying her best as well as demonstrating all of the Elaine values. So well done, Amelia. In Onyx class, the merit goes to Jude for following through and completing his home learning every week, showing our value of resilience. And also to Harrison for being creative with his learning when building a snake habitat. Well done, Harrison. I bet that was excellent and interesting learning to be taking part in. The merits in year 3 go to Ollie for displaying excellence with his artwork. Ollie has shown us his creative side and has made some really fantastic outcomes. Also to Blade for displaying resilience with his home learning. With the tough times going on, Blade has shown that he can turn things around and make the right choices. Well done, Blade. It's also always important to know that we can always turn our choices around. Sienna has a merit for always putting 100% into her learning. Every piece of work that you've handed in displays effort and pride. Miss Midgley would like to give her merit to Isa for trying so hard with her handwriting this week and not giving up. She has even got her name in the Hall of Fame. Wow, that's amazing. Well done. Miss Bromley would like to give a merit to George in year 6 for always doing his best in all of his learning and being an excellent role model in class. Miss Denham would like to give a merit to Hayley in year 2 for showing excellence in all areas of your learning. So well done there. And also one to Maya for her enthusiasm in your science experiment this week, as well as remembering key information and scientific vocabulary from last week's lesson. Well done. In year 6, the merits are going to Livy for consistently high expectations in her home learning. You have completed a great biography on Rosa Parks, as well as completing extra work this week in your role as lead ambassador. So well done. Also in year 6 for Harry for putting superb effort into your home learning and contributing well to the Zoom lessons every single day. Well done, Harry. Miss Macklin would like to give a merit to Emma. She has shown resilience in all learning and has shown the character skill of relationships. She's always kind and supportive to her peers, even when she finds her own learning challenging. So well done. And the merit for Elm class this week goes to Reese. You have been very positive with your learning at home and you've tried really hard and you always have a lovely smile on your face for every single Zoom call. So well done, Reese. I'm very, very proud of you. I think that's it for our merit assembly this week. So well done. Keep up all of the hard work that you're doing. I know it can be difficult sometimes, but this isn't forever. So keep on going and I hope to see you all soon. Take care. Bye.